Hello everyone. So today, first off, welcome to my channel. This is a new channel. This is my first video. So yeah. So today we are gonna be making pasta bake. So we have this pasta, which I cannot pronounce the name. And then we also have this pasta sauce, which you can't see. Basically, today we are going to be making that and then putting it in the oven with some cheese on top. And we wait until the cheese is like crispy. But basically, we have hot water here because it's easier to boil the hot water, because then that gets softer. And we pour that in. We add a bit of salt. That wasn't coming out. There's some salt. And then we add the pasta. So the pasta is now in. I just had to drain it a bit, but I'm going to add the tiniest bit more water. And then you turn on the stove to, I'd say medium high. Yeah, medium high. So that would be number 4. And then you wait. So the pasta is cooked. So what we're going to do now is strain it. So there is no leftover water. Right? And then we add that pasta back into here. So I have added the pasta back in, and what we're going to do now is open this. So a hack if you can't open it is you get a knife, but I'm pretty strong. Open. So now what you do is you add sauce in. And make sure there's still about 3/4 in there. And you mix it all together. So, as you can see, that's very well mixed in there. And now we are just going to add the herbs. So I have got mixed herbs. So we just add some of that in there. If it will come out. Not a lot, obviously, but some. Just so it's seasoned good. And then we may add a bit more of the pasta sauce. And now there's about half in there. You store this in the fridge. It says on here, once opened, consume within 7 days, which is a week. So, always read the back of it because you have to store it in the fridge. And then it says consume within a certain amount of days. Some say 3 and some say 7. So, yeah. You have to turn this up to 3 to let it do its little thingy. And then you can put it. So I've got a pasta dish thingy, and we are gonna add some grated cheese into that, and then we're gonna slice up some cheese to put on top of this because it'll be good. Okay, so it is time to just transfer it here. So we're just going to spoon it in. And there's not going to be enough for layers. So just spoon it all in like that and smooth it out. And any excess sauce, just put it on in. Keep trying to smooth it all out. This pasta is not going to be smooth. Put that to the side, and then this is when you add your cheese. And then what we do, get some of this, sprinkle it on top. Get some pepper. Personally, I would use ground pepper other than a grinder. So just grind some of that on. Then you put this in the oven. Put it in the oven for about 5-10 minutes or until the cheese is either fully melted or crispy. Depends how you like it. That is now done, and it is best served with any drink. I'd preferably say Coke. That's the end of the video. Don't forget to like if you liked it. I'm not gonna force you. And comment anything else you would like me to cook, and I will get recipes. This is not a recipe. I just made this up in my mind. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.